let me ask you something. What if the thing that turns a woman on the most is not your looks, not your bank account, not even your words, but your stillness? Because in a world full of loud, performative men, it's the calm, grounded, quietly confident man who triggers something deeper in her, something primal, something she doesn't even understand. And today, we're going to unpack exactly why that is and how you can become that man. 1. A calm man isn't trying to convince her, and that's exactly why she feels pulled. Most men operate from a place of lack. They believe that if they don't speak up, show up, or constantly prove their value, the woman they're interested in will simply lose interest. So they overcompensate, they talk too much, they agree too easily, and they work overtime to be validated. But the masculine, calm man knows something the others don't. True value doesn't need to be advertised. He doesn't rush to fill silences. He doesn't try to win her with gimmicks or compliments. Instead, his mere presence says, I know who I am and I'm good with or without your approval. And this is what creates a paradox for women. The less he tries to convince her, the more she finds herself intrigued by him. This doesn't mean he's dismissive or arrogant. It means he knows that what he brings to the table is enough. He doesn't need to be chosen to feel complete. That self-assurance radiates in his tone, his body language, and his interactions. Women are used to men who chase, men who beg for attention, men who feel like they have to earn every glance, every smile, every moment. But when she meets a man who doesn't play that game, who isn't reactive, isn't eager, and isn't rattled by her ambiguity, she feels something rare. She feels pulled in, because in his calm, she feels a challenge. Not one rooted in manipulation, but in mystery. And mystery creates emotional stimulation. Her curiosity awakens. Her imagination starts to fill in the gaps. And that right there is the secret. The masculine, calm man lets her lean in. He doesn't chase her attention. He creates a space where she chooses to offer it, because she senses that this man, unlike the others, won't break himself just to hold her interest. And that quiet power is irresistible. 2. His energy is grounded, and that makes her feel emotionally safe. There's a reason calm men trigger a unique response in women, and it has less to do with what they say and more to do with what they emit. Masculine calm isn't just an aesthetic, it's an energy. And energy doesn't lie. A grounded man has nothing to prove. His energy is stable, centered, and deliberate. He doesn't flinch under pressure, and he doesn't swing emotionally based on her mood. And here's why that matters. Women are biologically wired to seek emotional safety, not comfort, not convenience, emotional safety. When a man is emotionally erratic, too eager, too reactive, too quick to shift tones, it creates instability. And instability triggers anxiety. She can't relax, she can't open, she can't trust, because she doesn't know what version of him she'll get from moment to moment. But the calm man, he becomes her emotional anchor. His tone is steady, his demeanor is unshaken, his gaze is unwavering, and that consistency allows her nervous system to breathe. She can soften in his presence. She can express herself without fear of judgment or emotional backlash. And this is deeper than attraction, this is resonance. It's her internal world recognizing and responding to his internal peace. She feels it in his stillness, in his slow, deliberate movements, in the way he listens without interrupting and speaks without trying to impress. She feels safe not because he protects her from the world, but because he protects her from the chaos most men carry. His calm becomes a sanctuary, and that sanctuary becomes a place she craves. She'll find herself seeking his presence not just because he's handsome or successful, but because he makes her feel regulated, balanced, grounded, and in a world that constantly pulls her in a million directions, that feeling is rare. And when a woman finds a man who can offer her that, that's when emotional desire turns into deep emotional bonding. 3. He doesn't react. He responds, and that breaks her patterns. Every woman has a set of patterns, habits of behavior designed to test, to poke, to provoke. Most men fail those tests immediately. They react emotionally, predictably, loudly. She ignores his message, he double texts. She says something sarcastic, he tries to argue or win the last word. She pulls back, he leans in even harder. But the calm masculine man, he doesn't get caught in that cycle. He doesn't take the bait, and that's what makes him so powerful. When she tests him, he sees it for what it is, a probe for strength. He knows she's not trying to hurt him, she's trying to feel him, to measure how solid he is, to see if he wavers, and he doesn't. He responds with presence, with non-reaction, with understanding. If she's cold, he doesn't get colder, he simply steps back. If she's snarky, he doesn't argue, He either smiles or says nothing at all. And this calmness, it breaks her pattern. Suddenly she's no longer in control of the emotional rhythm. He is. This reversal of power isn't aggressive, it's grounded. It doesn't shout, it stands still. And that stillness, that lack of flinching, is what makes her start to question her own behavior. Not because he shamed her, but because his lack of reaction showed her something new: maturity. The masculine calm man interrupts the emotional drama she's used to, and in that space she finds something surprising: respect for him, and a growing curiosity that slowly becomes desire. 4. He doesn't fill the silence, he lets her feel it. Most men scramble to fill dead air. The moment there's a pause, they start talking, joking, rambling, anything to avoid the tension of silence. But silence isn't empty, it's powerful. It's where real connection is felt, not manufactured. A calm man is not afraid of silence. He doesn't interpret it as disinterest. He doesn't fear that if he's not performing, he'll be forgotten. He knows his presence is enough, so he lets the silence breathe. And what happens in those moments? She starts to feel something. The space becomes charged, not awkward, but intimate. She begins to project emotions onto him, wonder about him, study his body language, analyze his calm. It makes her nervous in the best way, and curious in a way that keeps her coming back. Because in that silence, he communicates confidence, control, peace. She feels it in her gut. This man doesn't need to earn me. He's already whole. And wholeness is magnetic. It pulls her in without words, without effort, without needing to chase. When she's with him, she can feel the difference. He doesn't perform, he doesn't panic, he just is. And the silence between them, it amplifies everything. 5. He doesn't chase. Women, he attracts with presence. Masculine, calm men know one truth most overlook: the more you chase, the more you push her away. Chasing tells her you're seeking validation, that you need her attention to feel good about yourself. But attraction, real, powerful attraction, that comes from stillness. When you stop chasing, you don't become passive, you become magnetic, you become the man she wants to study, to understand, to be around. You're not reacting to her cold behavior. You're not checking your phone every 5 minutes hoping she replies. You're not walking on eggshells hoping she approves of you. You're focused, intentional, grounded. That presence is a form of leadership. It shows her that you're already fulfilled, that you don't need her to complete you, you just choose to invite her in, and that subtle difference, it shifts everything. She starts to chase, not because you manipulated her, but because she wants to earn your energy. She wants to feel that calm again, to feel your peace, to feel that emotional safety only you offer. 6. Calm masculinity feels rare, and women chase what feels rare. Women aren't attracted to what's available to everyone. They're attracted to what's rare. And in today's world, masculine calm is rare. Everywhere she looks, she sees loud men, needy men, angry men, overstimulated, emotionally chaotic men. But when you walk in with calm, you stand out. You become contrast, a mystery, a grounded presence in a sea of instability. That contrast is what sparks her desire. She's drawn to you not because you're flashy, but because you don't need to be. She doesn't feel chased. She feels chosen. And that feeling is intoxicating. 7. His calm isn't passive, it's powerful, and women feel that deeply. Let's clear this up right now. Calm isn't weakness, it's discipline. It's not the absence of emotion, it's the control of it. It's not disinterest, it's focus. Women feel this. They sense the difference between a passive man and a grounded one. A calm man has the storm within, but he chooses when to show it. He doesn't react emotionally because he knows who he is. He doesn't need to raise his voice to be heard. And that speaks louder than anything else. She sees your restraint, your stillness, your ability to stay cool when everyone else is losing it, and it turns her on, deeply, because that's real masculine energy. That's the kind of man who doesn't seek control, but commands it. And that's the man she desires. So let's be honest, you don't need to chase, overthink, or try harder to be desired. You need to become grounded. Because when you stop trying to win women and start mastering yourself, you tap into a quiet, powerful magnetism that no words can explain. You stop being the man who reacts and become the one who commands energy without raising his voice. So if you're ready to embody true calm, masculine energy, start now. Drop a comment below and type, "I choose calm over chaos." And if this resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe for more deep psychology on relationships and masculinity. Like this video, it helps us reach more people. Share this with a man who needs to hear this today, because the calm man, he doesn't speak often. But when he does, people listen.